Hi, this is Miss Beulah again. I am going out of business, but before I go, I want to make this offer to you. This is Miss Beulah's Southern Baking Cookbook. Learn how to make cakes, cobbler, apple crisp, and if you're backed up, prune cobbler. But if you act within the first 10 minutes, I will throw in this fish and seafood book for you. Great for fish fries. But if you call right now, I will throw in, since I am a member of Holy Jerusalem Baptist Church, I will throw in this 8-step to create the life you want by Dr. Creflo A. Dollar. And I will also throw in The Threshing Floor by Miss Juanita Bynum. So, act now and get Miss Beulah's Baking Cookbook.